guys, welcome back to the Kika Pet Academy. We're so glad you tuned in. I have here Polis today.
Hey, hello everyone.
And today we're going to talk about superfoods. So Polis, I noticed in the shops, in the human trends, I can see more and more the word superfoods. I'm using some of them myself. Well, I think there are superfoods. But I noticed in the pet shops, whenever seeing the products of dry pet food, there are some superfoods and there are some products with them. Can you explain to me what is the superfood? What's the meaning of it?
Yeah, it's a very good question, and I love this question. I love the topic about the superfoods because I always believe in effectiveness and efficiency of the nutrition for the dogs and cats.
Mm-hmm.
So actually the superfoods are quite new term in the nutrition. It's not so popular. It became popular among the humans, I don't know, like few years ago only.
Yeah, I noticed that.
And what does it mean? That it means that these kind of the products as a superfoods, they have very high nutritional value.
Mm-hmm.
So we can call, there are some berries, some nuts, seeds,
Mm-hmm.
fruits, oils. Even the avocado is sometimes called as a superfood because it brings a lot of benefits.
So all of them, they are called the superfoods.
Well, it's not like all. Some berries, some
Mm-hmm.
fruits,
Mm-hmm.
some nuts, some seeds. You know,
Okay.
it's we cannot call that all of them are superfoods.
Some
No.
specific.
Exactly.
Okay.
So what does it mean? That the superfood, it can be called as a superfood like berries, which has a lot of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. What we need to understand is that the density of the nutritional value is huge. So you know, sometimes some berries are just tasty,
Mm-hmm.
and some berries are very high nutritional value, nutritional density.
Mm-hmm.
So minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants is the key.
What is antioxidant?
Yeah, it's a good question. You know, antioxidant is actually the natural molecule that occurs in certain foods,
Mm-hmm.
and so it helps to fight or neutralize the free radicals. And free radicals is actually a byproduct which is produced when the energy is produced. So free radicals is weakening the body of humans, weakening the body of the cats and dogs. So when we have the antioxidants, they help to neutralize the free radicals. And it's most important thing. Simply speaking, it boosts the immune system. So it helps to strengthen the immune system for the dogs and cats.
Okay, so you said there are more vitamins, maybe more nutritional value, antioxidants in the superfoods. So can we say that the products, for example, for cats and dogs, without superfoods, they're not as good as the ones with the superfoods?
Well, if we talk about the nutrition, you know, till like 2 years ago, we didn't have any superfoods, right? So still, these products are good enough. They have enough minerals, enough vitamins. But one thing I would like you guys to understand, it's actually my opinion, but there is the term bioavailability. What does it mean? We can use the vitamins and minerals based on all the regulations, but sometimes those minerals are not absorbed in the body well.
Yeah.
What does it mean? When you consume it, it has to go to the stomach together, mix it with the stomach acid, and they usually die with the stomach acid. You know, stomach acid is very strong and they destroy a lot of vitamins and minerals which are supposed to go through the stomach walls to the blood. So when we have the superfoods, the density is so high of some particular vitamins and minerals. So it means that using these foods, we can actually make the vitamins and minerals more efficient for the body. So
Okay.
bioavailability is higher. Everything is about bioavailability. Even when we talk about the proteins, we talk about fats, it's about the bioavailability. So superfoods, what they give extra something. You know, like from the humans, I always make an example. When I want to buy the omega-3 fatty acid supplementation for myself, I go to the pharmacy and I find very different prices.
Yeah,
some of
I
them are
noticed
very
that. Yeah.
some of them are very cheap and some of them are very expensive. And you think, okay, why is it so? But because of the source of omega-3, for example, you can find the krill as always more expensive than the regular fish omega-3. But why is it so? Because this is more bioavailable. The human body can absorb more of these type of the minerals and vitamins. So superfood gives an extra value for the dog and cat. If there is no superfood, it's still okay. But something extra, something more, very particularly like crystallized, then it gives more benefits.
Okay, thank you for this. It's very good to know, not only for the pet products, but I think for humans as well.
Yeah.
Now when I'm gonna go to the shop, I'm gonna see what the superfood does. So earlier you mentioned what are the superfoods. You mentioned some vegetables, some fruits, some nuts. Can you tell me some examples, like specific vegetables or nuts, like specific ingredients, what we can call a superfood?
Yeah, sure. If we talk again from the human industry, the honey is one of the most widely used, I think, because honey has a lot of benefits, and then there are spirulina and all these things. But what is beneficial for the pets, I would call one of the berries is acai berries, or you call it acai berries, which is found in South America. They contain 19 amino acids and many antioxidants.
19.
So can you imagine the berry of acai have 19 amino acids, and we know that we need the amino acid. The dogs and cats need the amino acid to build the muscles, etc. Of course, one thing to understand that majority of the superfoods are plant-based. They're not animal-based, right? It's plant-based, and it can be called organic, etc. So acai berries is one. The second, let's go to the other part of the world, to Asia, is the goji berries. And the goji berries, they're very small, red berries, which is also very widely used, and they're having a lot of vitamin C and vitamin E, along with the many different types of flavonoids. So they are frequently used in human industry and in pet industry as well, to treat the diabetes, to maintain the proper blood level, and then of course to maintain eye, liver and kidney condition, the good condition. So can you imagine, you don't even know, maybe there is the cat and dog don't have problem with the kidney or liver, but then when you can give a little bit extra something, it doesn't cost you too much, and it's usually enough to have 1% of the superfood included in the food. Then when we talk about the seeds, like chia seeds, you probably would see that many people are drinking the chia seeds nowadays.
Yeah.
Like
this is the human trend.
Exactly, like detoxification program for themselves.
I tried.
And it's the same. By the way, I did as well. And it's the same for the pets and dogs. They also have the same benefits, detoxifying the body, boosting immune system. And this is what we need nowadays in our, would say, a rushy, polluted environment, right? And the last I would like to mention is about the oils, because I said that oils can be, believe me, not all of the oils can be called as a
that's
superfood.
what I wanted to ask you.
So I don't think that olive oil can be used as a superfood, but the coconut oil is definitely can be called as a superfood, and especially if the coconut oil is the virgin cold pressed coconut oil, then it can be really called as a superfood, because of the one ingredient is the lauric acid, and it's super good for the digestion. It's smooth in the digestion and extremely good for the skin and coat, because it can work together and help to stimulate the collagen synthesis. So coconut oil, if you find it, you can definitely see that it's a superfood. Yeah.
Okay, Paulus, thank you so much for all the information, and I think it's gonna help not only to care and to find the best product for our pets, for our dogs and cats, but for humans, it's a good information as well. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.